Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kromatika token. Ticker symbol is KROM. This token is just about to be listed on a central exchange starting today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Kromatika token. So this token is just about to get a brand new central exchange listing starting today, November 22nd. 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT. That's what this token is paired with. Go into the trade section, search KROM, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So their official webpage is kromatika.finance. There is a total supply of 100 million tokens. According to their Etherscan, they have 2,269 holders right now, 32,000 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token. On their Etherscan, you can find a contact email, Medium articles, Twitter, GitHub, Telegram, LinkedIn, Discord, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap listing. All sorts of info on there. So if you go over to their CoinMarketCap, you can find the chart over there, price, contract address, all that type of stuff. So this is a cross-chain token. It's available on Ethereum, Arbitrum, it's Optimism, and Matic, all sorts of different things. So you can find their RB scan, their Etherscan, their Polygon scan, etc. All those are available on CoinMarketCap, along with all their socials on here as well. They also have a full CERTIC audit. You can find the full CERTIC audit listed on CoinMarketCap. So what is Kromatika? Well, Kromatika Finance is a decentralized trading protocol enabling crypto traders to execute limit orders by utilizing the powerful concentrated liquidity feature of Uniswap v3. This feature makes it a useful dApp by itself, but the real innovation is the ability to trade without swap fees, no price slippage, and with no risk of front-running bot attacks. Krom is the token that pays the service fee to unlock the limit order feature of Kromatika Finance dApp. This means that by using Krom tokens, you not only get access to highly profitable limit orders on the decentralized exchange, but you will also earn extra fees on every trade thanks to the innovative approach to providing liquidity. Kromatika Finance dApp also benefits from an advanced MetaSwap aggregator. This platform aggregates the liquidity from any decentralized exchange and compares the swap data across Uniswap, OX Project, and 1inch. This allows users to get better trades than they would get on a single decentralized exchange by optimizing token pricing, swap fees, and slippage. Krom tokens have more utilities planned, including an option for gasless swaps, staking, and much more. Such utilities will be developed and added in the near future. So their official Twitter is listed here on Mexc Global's Twitter. You can go over there and get more info. You can find it at Kromatika FI, MetaDex aggregator with no price slippage, fee earning, limit orders, gasless mode, and perp DERV. Their Twitter joined in March 2017. They have 14,900 Twitter followers. On their Twitter, you can find a full link tree. That's going to take you where you need to go. Kromatika Finance, you can launch their DApp right from the webpage, kromatika.finance, you can, there's frequently asked questions, documents, all sorts of stuff available on here. So if you click on documents, it basically takes you over to their Medium articles. They have all sorts of different Medium articles that you could check out. Makes decentralized exchange trading simple, accessible, and affordable on Ethereum L1 and L2s. So if we click on the Krom token here, it says Krom is the utility and governance token of the Kromatika protocol. It is a non-mintable ERC20 token deployed on Ethereum with a fixed total supply of 100 million tokens. The tokenomic model of Krom is deflationary by design since the tokens are being burnt. So they're going to be burning tokens. There is a link you can click on to verify the ether scans for their burning. Krom is the token that pays the service fee to unlock the limit order feature on the Kromatika protocol. This means that by using the Krom tokens, you not only get access to cost-efficient limit orders on the decentralized exchange, but you also get LP fees on every trade thanks to the innovative approach by providing liquidity. Krom token is also used as a governance token within the Kromatika DAO. Kromatika DAO has the possibility to add more utilities through governance proposals, so you can vote on what you want in the future for this project here. So initially 60 million tokens were fair launched on Uniswap V3 mainnet, 10 million were fair launched on Arbitrum, and another 10 million on Optimism. A buyback from the DAO treasury was performed at the end of Q1 2022 from a total value of 2 million Krom tokens. LP ownership token is burned, meaning Krom is burned with every sell trade. So 12 million Krom have been locked on Unicrypt, or 12% of the total supply, with an average vesting of 2 years to 2 years and 3 months. This vesting occurred in March 2022. Half of the vested tokens are allocated in the DAO treasury. And lastly, the proof of liquidity position was burnt for better security, and in order to prevent rug pull hacks, you can consult the transaction here. 7 million Krom tokens are kept in the DAO treasury managed by the Kromatika DAO. So that's basically about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token's listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.